If you are tired of the same old dinner routine, you need to try this. This is Keema capsicum perfectly seasoned, smoky minced meat cooked down with crunchy, vibrant bell peppers. It takes less than 30 minutes. Let's make it. We need 4 to 5 bell peppers, minced mutton meat, onions, green chilies, garam masala, coriander paste and ginger garlic paste. We are starting hot. Heat up some oil or ghee in a pan and toss in finely chopped onions. We want to saute these until they turn a beautiful, deep golden brown. That's where the base flavor lives. Add some salt. Add green chilies, turmeric, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and fry them until raw smell disappears. Add your keema and coriander paste. Now, turn the heat up. You want to break the meat apart and saute it thoroughly until it changes color. Don't skip this step. Cooking the meat in its own juices at high heat locks in all that rich flavor. After mixing well, cover with a lid. After 5 minutes, the meat is now cooked. Dice the capsicum to remove its lid. Fill our cooked meat in the capsicum. After filling, it should look something like this. In a separate pan, pour some oil and add chopped onion and saute them. Add the cooked meat and fry for 3 minutes. Now place the stuffed capsicums and add a splash of water, lemon juice, pop the lid on, and let it simmer on medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes until the meat is completely tender. Serve this hot with some buttery parathas or flaky naan. If you love this recipe, hit that smash like button, subscribe for more easy dinner ideas, and let me know in the comments what we should cook next. Happy eating!